This is our heated Camco water hose. It is 25 feet long, and it has been an excellent investment for us because cold weather when you're camping can happen rather unexpectedly. But with this, we've had absolutely no problems whatsoever with any sort of freezing. The coldest we've camped in might have been like in the teens, and this performed with no problem. So it's actually running right now because it is cold enough. The way it works is I believe its temperature sensor is right here, and you can actually feel it. It's actually warm right now. All you got to do to turn it on is just plug it in. I believe this is, I don't know, maybe a 3, maybe a 5 foot long electric cable, and it plugs into a standard outlet. Once it detects the temperature dropping below a certain temperature, it'll automatically turn itself on. So not only is it insulated, but there is an actual heating element inside of it. And we've had this heated water hose for about a year, and it's given us absolutely no problem. So if you're looking for a water hose that has this extra bit of functionality for an extra bit of security, look no further. This is an outstanding hose. Until next time, thank you for watching.